Okay, let's get started. At first, I'm going to open my IDE. So I prefer to write my codes in VS Code. I'm going to open as my VS Code here. So I already have a workplace folder here. And inside of my workplace folder, I want to start a new script. I'll name this script movie scraping .py. Okay, so I have my script here. So let's start writing our code. At first, I want to import Helium. From Helium import everything. So I'll run this. It's already loaded. Also, I'll import pandas. As PD. Okay, so my two libraries are imported. And if you don't have these libraries installed in your system, you can simply go to the terminal and you can write here pip install Helium, and you can run this. So it will set up Helium for you, and also same goes for pandas. Pip install pandas for setting up the pandas library. I already have this installed in my system, so I'm not going to run that again. Okay, so let's get started. The page we are going to scrape is this page. The website is IMDb. As you can see, imdb.com here. And this is the chart, and these are the top 250 movies listed here with the ratings, IMDb ratings here, and you can see the movie names in here and the release year. So what I'm interested in, I want to fetch all these movie names and their ratings, IMDb ratings, in a separate Excel file. So as you can see here, this page loads a total number of 250 movies here, and there is no pagination here, so we don't have to think about the paginations here. This is just only one page and it contains 250 movie names in here. So let's inspect this page. We can right click here, we can select this inspect, and it will pop up our inspect windows here, and you can see, so these are the information here. As you can see here, you can see the title in here, the Shawshank Redemption, and the movie name is Shawshank Redemption. You can see this one is inside a TD tag here, and these are all the informations. This tag contains all the informations. As you can see, I'm hovering over it and it's changing in every movie name, you see. So what we can do here, inside here we have all the informations that are available in one block in here. For example, this one is the title column. This one is under the title column class, and if you click that, you can see there is one a tag and a reference link here, and also you can see the movie name over here. And for the ratings, you can go to the rating column, IMDb rating. If you click that, you can see the rating here, 9.2. The information is totally here, and this one is under the rating column, IMDb rating class. So initially I'm interested to fetch these two datas from here, and it will go for all the movie names. It will go I'll write a loop that will go through all of these tags and fetch all the informations that we require. Okay, so let's get started. At first, I'll copy this URL and I'll start writing my URL in here. Excuse me. What I'll do here, I will do start Chrome, and then I will give my URL in here. Yeah, and what I'll do in here, I will what I'll do in here, I will write headless is equal to true. What this will do, this will hide the page from loading. The Chrome will start this page, and it will show in your window. It will pop up in your window if you keep the headless false, but if you keep the headless true, it will run back in the background and you will not see the page in here. So if you run this one, you can see this page loads in here, and just to there is some issue. I don't know what happened here. The Chrome Express WebDriver unknown error, internet disconnected. Oh, okay, my internet is disconnected. Excuse me. Okay, so we'll get back online and we can run it again. As you can see, it runs right now. Okay, so just to show you how it works, we can write here false and we can see what it does. Okay, so you can run this and you will see a pop-up. You'll see the pop-up of this page in a Chrome file. So you can do it, you can work it like this, but I don't want this to show up. I just want to run this thing in the background and fetch the informations that I require. So I'll keep my headless is true. Yeah. I make a spelling mistake. Yeah, it works now. Now what I can do, we need the information of the title and the ratings. So I will write a variable called movie name, and I'll put I will try the find all S method in Helium. This is a really convenient method here. So I'll write find all, and here this is the S method that Helium follows. It's a really convenient one. You can just fetch any class or IDs using this thing. So I'll get back to the page, and okay, it seems like this page is gone, so I'll load that once again. Yeah, okay, so this is our page, and okay, let's inspect this page, and as you can see, the movie name is inside of this class title column. So I'll copy this class, I'll get back to my code, and I will paste that in here. So to get a class, what you have to do, you have to put a dot in front, and if you want to fetch an ID, then you have to write hashtag in here, hashtag the ID name, or dot the class name. Okay, so I already pasted my class in here. It's awesome. Now I'll get the movie ratings. Movie ratings is equal to, I'll do the same, find all method and write down as. Again, I will put the class name of the movie rating. So let's get back to the Chrome page, and here we can find, I'll just click in here and inspect again, and I'll get the ratings in here. You can see it's 9.2 rating. So I need this class. Copy the class and get back to my code. Not this one. Okay, so here I'll write the class name. Okay, so we got the classes that we need. Now what I have to do, I have to loop through all of these tags and get the informations. So I'll write a loop for titles is equal to I'll get this information item dot web element dot, I'll get the text from there, text for item in movie name, the variable that we already mentioned in here. So I'll put that in here. Okay, and same goes for the rating. For the ratings is equal to item dot web element dot text for item in movie. This one will be movie ratings here. Yeah, so we already looped through all the informations. What you can do, we can see if it works or not. What you can do, we can print both the titles and the ratings. Okay, let's see if it works. I'll clear my terminal, then it will be easy for you to see the output in here. So the page is running. Cool. You got all the movie names here. Looks like it is not fetching the information for the ratings. Yeah, it's not fetching the rating information. As you can see here, the list is empty here. But there's a reason. The reason is it's happening because the class name we used in here, this class, the rating class, it has a little space in the between. You can see, so it will not work. What we can do, we can put a dot in here, then we can see if it works or not. Let's start this thing again. Let's see what happens. Looks like now we got the movie names in here and also the ratings here, you can see. So sometimes you will see there is a gap in the class name. In that way Python cannot recognize that. So what you can do, you can put a dot in here and you'll get the class. You can paste the information from here. Okay, so this is cool. Now let's store this information in so I'll comment this thing out. Comment this thing out. Control and shift. Okay. Yeah, so now what we do, we write a data frame is equal to pd dot data frame. Yeah, we got the data frame in here. And what we do, we'll write yeah, title steering. So I will name this column title. Okay, let's name it movie title, and it will be, the title will be our titles, yeah, comma, and ratings. Ratings will gonna be our ratings. Okay, yeah, and we want to save that in a different Excel file. So what we will do, we'll do df dot to Excel, because we want to export that in an Excel file. Df to Excel. If you want to import that in a CSV file, you can also write to CSV, df dot to CSV. Okay, so here I'll name my file as movie information dot xlsx. You'll have to mention this xlsx in here, the format in here, if you are saving a Excel file. So I'll put index is equal to true, index is false, index is false, because I already have headings mentioned in here, so I don't need any index for my Excel file. Okay, so let's run this thing again and see if we have any output from here. As you can see, my workplace is in here, so there is no Excel file right now in here, but if I run this code, it should be an Excel file in here in the directory containing all the information. So let's run it. Let's see. Okay, let me clear my terminal once again. Let's run. It'll take some time. Yeah, as you can see in our work directory, now you can see there is this xlsx file, movie information. So what we can do, we can we can get to the folder where all our informations are. So I'll get in here, as you can see here. This is our file here, movie scraping.py here script, and this is the Excel file that we fetched movie information. So let's start this and let's see what informations we got actually here. As you can see, these are the informations that we fetched. Oh, nice. Cool. It looks cool. I'll make it a bit bigger so it would be easier for you to see. This is the movie title and the ratings. So we got all the information of, or we got all the name of the movies. For some reason this one is coming in Deutsch language, but we can cross-check this from our page in here. And yeah. As you can see, this one is actually 1994, and this one is Shawshank Redemption, Dear Pate, The Godfather, The Dark Knight. You can see The Dark Knight 2008, and the rating is 9. The rating is 9 in here. So all the informations are here, and we managed to fetch all the informations of, let's see, yeah, 250 movies here. Der mit dem Wohltanzt. So the last movie name, excuse me, last movie name is Dances with Wolves. Nice. So rating is 8. Rating is 8 here. Oh, so we got our information. We successfully fetched all the informations that we required. These are these informations. So thanks for watching, and have a nice day.